queens, and thank you guys so much for watching, as well as clicking on this video to return to see what I am about to upload. And shout out to all our new queens and kings that have joined in castle. I thank you guys and appreciate you all so much for your love and support, as well as my old ride and dies. Now, with all that being said, as you guys know from the title, we are doing a fall Halloween decor unboxing. Here, I was gonna just show you guys the stuff that I had from last year and not show you guys the stuff that I just hauled or you guys seen some of it in my little shop with me. If you haven't seen neither one of those videos, just click on the iCards, either or, and come back to this video. It doesn't matter, you gotta watch all three though, but just to get the grasp and understand of this. But I decided to go against that because I was like, what's the purpose of me doing the unboxing? Like, I already showed that stuff as a haul, so why not just show all over as one, just to refresh you guys' memory, but still support those two videos, okay? The first thing is this gorgeous little pumpkin here. Like, I purchased this from Ross, and I showed you guys in my shop with me at Home Goods. They have these. The only things I think was different about Home Goods, they didn't have like the tea, like candle holder part there. They didn't have this portion, and they didn't have like the leaves on theirs. And I think the little top was a little bit different, but the styling of this was the same. Just the same. So if you guys don't find them at Ross, you can also go look at Home Goods. I'm quite sure these are gonna be popular though for year round and year round. I have this little gorgeous pumpkin here. This pumpkin here came from Walmart. I'm hoping that Walmart have these again because I want to pick up another one of these. Z Gallery had these pumpkins in gourds, I think every year. Well, no, not every year. Because they just recently came out with these probably 2 or 3 years ago. And I got the whole completed set. You know, I have the big one, so we have the gourd here, and then we have the small pumpkin here. So I'm like, I really don't need no more pumpkins, but honey, pumpkins is what's popping. Like, you can't go in the store without picking up some pumpkins. Can you? I don't know, maybe I'm just a hoarder. Yes, I came back with some more pumpkins. Now, these are new to my stash. These came from the at-home store. I just showed you guys these in my home decor haul. So, I got 2 of the small ones and a big one, which is gorgeous. They look like they glitter, but they look like it's cement or something, like stone type or whatever, but I don't know. But they are gorgeous, which I didn't need these pumpkins, but I had to get them. Okay, so next up is this beware sign that I did get from Dollar Tree. I'm hoping that they come out with some more of these because I seen a young lady did a DIY last year on one of these. I think she wrote fall on hers though. But I want to get another one so I can probably do spooky on one side of it or whatever. I don't know, but I just like this, and it's glitter out. So if you don't like glitter, honey, I don't know what to take, because Dollar Tree have a lot of stuff with glitter. Now, I just showed you guys these little gorgeous goblets. Like, I just think these are so gorgeous for they to be plastic. But I purchased these from Poshmark. I'm not sure where Miss Antoinette got these, but I'm quite sure you probably can find these at Home Goods or Ross or, you know, TJ Maxx, one of them cousin, brother, sister store family members. Yeah, I'm quite sure you can find these there or whatever. But these are so gorgeous. Maybe even Amazon too. I don't know, but I do have 6 of these, so these gonna look so pretty on my table for Halloween. I just scratched my table with these. But these little 2 picture frame is the black and white stripe thing that I'm going with. Because, you know, a lot of people don't like that buffalo check, which is gorgeous. But I do think it speaks more of farmhouses, you know, like rustic vibe or whatever. And this year I'm not doing no rustic glam. Like, isn't that crazy? Like, every year I do some type of rustic. Y'all gotta close this window. But so I'm going with the black and white stripes, like the Beetlejuice type stripes or whatever you want to call it. It speaks a little more elegant and glam to me. I don't know. That's just my preference. That's my opinion. So those are from the Dollar Tree. Speaking of Dollar Tree, I got this cute little mirror here, which is all black. I like it because it's so elegant and so luxe. And it just a different vibe, even though they had them in silver. You could spray paint this black or whatever, but I found it with this color. So I was like, oh, let me get that. You know, that's cute or whatever. But they did have, I think, blue and purple. I don't know why I want to say purple, but it probably wasn't purple. Maybe again, it probably wasn't blue. Then it was purple. I don't know, but they had them. So pick these up. That's a new item. Here's another new item that I got are these vase fillers, which are skulls. They black with glitter sprinkle all over them. I should have picked up 2 packs of these, but what I want to use these for, I really don't need them but this 1 pack. But I don't know. I just see how that goes. Then I picked up 2 packs of these little ornaments skulls here. And I'm not gonna decorate a tree. I'm not there yet with my decoration for holidays or whatever. But I know 2 of my sisters have already, which their tree turned out so gorgeous, very gorgeous. For to be 2 different styles, like they are breathtaking, really are. But I'm just gonna use these for something else. And then I picked up these 2 little pumpkins, these wooden stamp, wooden pumpkins, which I'm using this one for Halloween. I'm gonna use this one for fall, so I don't even know why this one in here, but this one here say great gather with a grateful hearts, and this one here say thankful, grateful, and blessed. So which 9 10 I'm gonna actually just take that raffia off of them or whatever, probably put some type of gold or white, I don't know whatever I'm gonna do with it. But these are the 2 they are new, so I didn't show you guys that in the haul. So I picked up a bunch of these little skulls here, and these like 2 or 3 years old from the Dollar Tree. I have 2 blacks and 3 of the silvers, but I think I have more of the silver. I'm not sure. I believe I do though. I believe I do. I do have these skulls here, which these are new. I just picked these up, so I'm loving this. I love it because it's velvet. I don't know, just speak rich to me. So my little Spook and Glam, this is gonna fall great in place with that. And these came from Marshall. Okay, so next up from the Dollar Tree is these little pumpkins here. Now, wait a minute, I'm about to lose. I'm about to drop them. This one here says spooky, but this one is like a paperweight. Like this is really heavy. Like it's not really heavy, but it does have a nice size weight on it. You can feel the difference in it. That's why I had to put them down. So have this one here that have the spiders on it. This cute little black and white one like the Beetlejuice pans. Then this last one here that is black and white polka dots. Now these was very popular last year for Dollar Tree. These went quite fast. They had the orange and everything. I'm not sure if they're gonna bring these back, but it'll be a good hot item to bring back because these was very popular. Okay, also from the Dollar Tree are these little cute little pumpkins here. Now I'm glad I did spray paint or change the color on these, because if you guys haven't seen my haul, my fall home decor haul, I would, if you did, you need to go check it out. But I told you guys I'm using the burnt orange this year for fall. I'm not even doing rusted besides what my table is, but still, that's still gonna be glammed up. But burnt orange is my color, and I'm loving these. How these look, they like the Cinderella look or something like this. So I'm doing like a tradition glam. That's what I'm calling it. I couldn't think for a minute now. And then I got this little shaker, this snow globe, but it's a skull snow globe that came from Dollar Tree also last year. And so for Halloween is these candles here that I got from Dollar Tree. Now they only have these out during Halloween time. And then I picked up this skull here, which I did a little DIY on, and I think I did this like 2 or 3 years ago, which I think is so cute. But I am not using red for my pop of color. I am using burgundy this year. So next up on the chopping board are these tombstones that I got from Target Dollar Spot, and I got these 2 years ago. This one here said Halloween, Happy Halloween, R.I.P., 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 Nevermore. So these were, I think, $1, something like that, from Target Dollar Spot. I think that's what it was. Now those are very nice. Those was very nice for the price of those. Speaking of Target Dollar Spot, I also picked up these velvet pumpkins. Like these gonna go so great with the skeletons that I have here. Like this is like, get into it. Get it into it. So these are so cute. So you see what my little vibe going in. And I need to get me some velvet pillow covers. I really do. I totally forgot to order some of them. Yeah, I'm gonna order some of them when I get off this live with you guys. This haul. Then this here, I have this little table runner, this black and white table runner. I think I used this 1 year, but then again, I think I did because it's satin. I really don't care for the shine, the look of it. I don't know. I think I wish it would have been more like polyester. And then I have this little black little jewelry box, which I picked this up from Burlington. Yeah, it was $5.99. But I'm gonna use this on my coffee table this year because I seen a little. If you guys seen my little 7 days a week coffee table styling design, you seen how I used the jewelry box. I'm gonna use the this one black one here for my coffee table as well. Or maybe on my bar. I don't know yet. I'm still trying to figure that out too. I don't think I want to do a bar this year because I'm thinking about doing like a wine station or something. I don't know. But we're going back to the Dollar Tree. I picked up these placemats here. Well, 6 of them placemat, but the rest of them just like home wall decor that go on the wall. These little webs. But if y'all guys seen in my shop with me, you guys, I think I did. I believe I did. Marsha had table runners that like these, and I would think about going back and get them, but I have 6 of these, so I need to see what I'm gonna do first before I go run out there. But I know me, if I go dodge this door, I'm going to Marsha. I don't care what nobody say. So, but I got 6 of these, and if you in that, I showed you guys those Nicole Miller placemats. Like, they were so gorgeous. I really wanted to get them so bad, but I knew I had placemat. I was like, no, Val, because you got placemat. There's no need to get no more placemat. Put those damn placemats down. Like, I walked around with them in the bucket and everything. I had to put them back. But anyways, I also have these little spider webs here. Now, these go on the wall, like, you know, these go on the wall. But I use these for placemats. I use it for placemats because they big and wide enough to be a place. Oh, wait a minute, that one messed up. But let me show you this one. They big and wide enough. Well, that messed up too. But y'all get the point, though. God dang. Big and wide enough so you can fit a plate or charger or something on it. So, you know, bring a little decorative piece to your dining room table. From the Dollar Tree are these little faux mirrors here, which I used these 2 years ago. As you guys can see, I still have some DIYs on it, which is my Press for Boo sign and Press for Boo. Just Press for Boo. Oh, Press for Candy. So, but I'm not going to use the red roses. You guys already know what color I used it. But these came from the Dollar Tree. I'm not even sure if I'm going to use these this year, but we'll see. I'm going to just go in this basket like this and show you guys what I all have in here, because I don't feel like going one by one. And it's just like a lot of little bitty more stuff. I have another skeleton in here. I have this little candy dish that I got from the party store. That y'all know this black and white ribbon in this little party dish container here. And I'm going to show y'all something else. I'm going to tell you when I show y'all something else though, how long I had it and where they come from. But anyways, I have these little skeletons. These supposed to light up. Those from the Dollar Tree. And I have this little pail here that have a lot of like these little skeletons in here. Then these little clip-on butterflies bats that came from the Dollar Tree. They had these last year. I'm not sure if they're coming back with those, but those was very cute. Very, very cute. So I have 2 of these. Then I have some scarecrows in here. And then I have these. I did not even use these. These are lights too. They light up at the Dollar Tree. But the only thing about it, they light up color. That's why I didn't probably use them or didn't turn them on. But that's pretty much what's in there. And then I have some black diamonds or whatever, you know, crystals, like the clear crystals. I have black ones right here. So okay, I have these little 4 sets of skeleton hands. Now you can use these like if you do a party or something, you can use these as little dippers or whatever for not, I wouldn't say wet food, something dry like chips or something like that. You know, stuff like that. Nothing too big, too small they're gonna fall through the skeleton hands neither, but or pick up the candy for the kids or whatever when you're giving out the candy for the kids or stuff like that. So I use those a couple times on the table scapes too. And then I have some kitchen towels, which I had these for to wrap some of the decor in. And these are skeleton kitchen towels. I have 2 of those. Then I have some of this little net here that came from the Dollar Tree. I'm hoping that they get some more of this back because I need at least 1 or 2 more of those. But look, I have a bag full of candles. And like I said, this ribbon, y'all won't believe how old this stuff is. This stuff is 4 years old because Andre is 3. 4 or going on 5 years or something like that. And that's, you know what? I just realized how much of a hoarder is. I am a hoarder. Because if I had this stuff that long, because I had this for his baby shower. He was still in my belly. For these candles came from IKEA. They like had a little box full of them. No more than $10, I believe. But they don't light up. They just for a decorative purpose. And I put these little black and white, black tape around it for to give it a little stripe look. And this ribbon came from Walmart. Like, y'all, that is so crazy. But the thing is, I'm able to reuse it, right? Right? So, yeah. So that ain't too bad. That ain't too bad, but that's sad. That is so sad. So this here is my last pumpkin though. This is the last velvet pumpkin, but this one here is ceramic. I got this from Ross last year, and I think this one was on sale. So y'all gotta get to my vibe. Like, this is gonna be so cute. Like, look at this. This is too cute. Like, too cute. I mean, I'm loving this velvet. Yes, I gotta get me some pillows. I gotta get some pillows. So I have just a few more stuff and we'll be done because Andre done came in. So I got this paper here which I had from his baby showers. His baby showers. I mean baby shower. As well as this candy treat paper. Like, this is ridiculous, Val. You is a straight hoarder. That don't make no sense. I also have this basket here from the Dollar Tree. Yeah, this is a basket. I have some ribbon. Then I have this bling wrap ribbon, which is black. It came from the Dollar Tree, believe it or not. And then I have these little skeleton garlands. Some shot glasses that came from the Dollar Tree. And I had used mine like for tea light candle holders last year. But I think these are so cute. I have 4 of these. And then I just have some picture frames that I'm going to use also. And those came from Walmart. And some DIY books, which I need to redo these and do some more. And this say pick your poison. Alright, queens and kings, so that is it for my fall Halloween home decor unboxing. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know if you're going to celebrate Halloween. Do you celebrate Halloween? Not, you know, that is your preference. It's all up to you. But I enjoy. I love to see the decoration. I love to see the moments of us adults come out and be big kids. You get what I'm saying? It's all fun and games and laughter at the end of the day. And if you are new to the castle and you consider to be a part, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell, so therefore you don't miss out on another video that I upload in the future. And I hope you all enjoy, and please share, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye bye.